At Polson Painting, we want to be your painter for life.
There are always lots of home improvement projects on the list, and when it comes to painting, there's no substitute for hiring the right team.
It's always very important to hire a professional that's going to service your house. It's your castle, you want it done right. So I learned my craft in high school. I started with my woodshop teacher. And in the summers, he would build houses and we would do painting, all aspects of the building. And one thing that sticks in mind is that he would say, always measure twice and cut once. To me, meaning, do it right the first time so you have to go back and do it again.
Quality is the most important thing to us. So it's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting the job done right.
Well, I've made the mistake of doing it myself over the years, and between the mistakes that I made as well as the aches and pains that I woke up with the next day, we really wanted to use some professionals.
Well, plus all of our projects that we've used Polson for have been large. We wouldn't be done yet if we did it ourselves. We'd still be painting.
It can be very tough painting your own house. Believe me, we've had customers call us who will stop halfway because they're too tired to do it and they don't want to deal with it anymore. They've been doing it every weekend for the past month and they just want it over with. So they'll call us to finish it.
So what should you know when it comes to hiring a licensed painter?
Polson Painting is a family-owned and operated company. We are here in the local area. Hillsborough County and Pasco counties are the areas that we serve.
I'd say about 60% of our clients are either repeat customers or referrals.
Well, as Linda said, we had some big projects that we wanted to get done. So as we were looking at professionals, we got recommendations from some friends, and they highly, highly recommended Polson Painting.
And if you want, you can go online to our website and you can request a quote. And you just click on a button and you enter all your information, and then it drops it into an email for our office to be able to respond the next day.
Okay, I start the day off by answering the emails from the previous day because our customers are extremely important to us. I then answer phones. I send out emails to our clients who've hired us already to give them information about their upcoming project.
Once there's a plan in place, think about your color options. The only rule is, there are no rules.
Well, that's what this segment's all about, right? Why not add a little color to your life? So, as you see here, we have an accent wall, and we have the main color in the back. You can see the depth that it gives you. The accent wall is going to change the mood of a room. Paint a ceiling if you don't want to paint the walls. That'll change the room's mood dramatically. It'll add, different features that you've never noticed before.
When painting the interior and exterior of your home, it's very important that you hire someone who pays attention to detail and someone who chooses high quality products. If you don't have both, then you're not going to get the long-term investment in your home that you really need.
And don't forget about the exterior.
When you're painting the outside of your home, doesn't matter who you hire, make sure they're going to pressure wash, patch all the cracks, recaulk your window frames. And most importantly, when they're applying the paint, make sure that if they're spraying it, that they're back rolling, because that's the most important, is the back roll. You want to push all the paint into the nooks and crannies and make it a nice uniform surface.
The outcome was amazing, and now when we look back and reflect on our befores, we kind of shake our heads and think, what were we thinking? Because it was such a big undertaking. But after Don and Polson came in and worked their magic, we're extremely happy.
They have to know that we care. We're there for them every step of the way through the entire project.
At Polson Painting, we want to be your painter for life.
For more information about Polson Painting, visit polsonpainting.com or email them at service@polsonpainting.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.